Hi, good evening, everyone. So tonight we'll be talking about Allergy Alert. Can you guys do us a favor? Please help us like and share our Facebook Live. Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Eve.
And my name is Jane. We are who? We're actually nutritional immunology educator. Actually, Eve, I noticed many people seem to have allergic issue and eczema. Even one of my family members suffers from eczema. Is it so common?
Yeah, it's very common because it's happening around my friends also.
So today we can talk about how can we prevent or cure. So let you all understand more about allergy.
Yeah, so how common is the allergy? Anyone here have allergy issue or maybe your friends or family? So please tag your friends and family who have allergy issues because our live tonight definitely will help those who are sick with allergies. I'm sure allergy is irritating, right? Because it's hard to be cured. What type of allergy have you all heard before? You all are welcome to type at the chat box.
So let's see how common is allergy. Share some. So according to the World Allergy Organization, WAO, nearly 40% of the world's population is affected by one or more allergic condition. So what is allergy? Allergies are your body reaction to a normally harmless substance such as pollen, moles, animal dander, latex, certain foods, and insect sting. So when you have an allergy, your immune system mistakes an allergen for an invader and overreacts by producing hemoglobin antibody. When IgE antibody binds to receptor on basophils and mast cell, they trigger the release of histamine and other chemicals that result in allergy symptoms. So everybody, do you know that asthma and allergy often occur together? If you know the answer, you can type at the chat box. So they're actually related, but not the same. If we inhale allergens such as pollen, mold, pet dander, and dust mite, it can trigger asthma. So when you see symptoms such as shortness of breath, wheezing, chest tightness, these are called allergic asthma.
Actually, not only asthma and allergy, there are other types of allergy. So let's take a look what type of allergies are very common. Allergic rhinitis, food allergy, drug allergy, skin allergy, and many others. So do you know allergy symptoms usually occur in which part of our body? Let me show you. Allergy symptoms usually occur in the nose, eyes, throat, lungs, stomach lining, some call gastrointestinal, or on the skin. These symptoms may be as mild as runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, sinuses, watery or itchy eyes, wheezing, coughing, or they may be life-threatening, such as the swelling of air passages that may cause difficulty in breathing and even death. Anaphylaxis is the most serious and sometimes life-threatening allergic reaction. There are so many types of allergy, but today we will be focusing on food allergies and eczema. Do you know what are the common symptoms for skin allergy? Let me show you. So it's like rashes, itching, redness, dry skin, scaling skin, and swelling are common to most skin allergies. Eczema is one of the most common skin conditions and is often linked with asthma, hay fever, and food allergy. Hand eczema are very common during pandemic. I had hand eczema last time, triggered by alcohol sanitizer.
Yeah, me myself, I have lip eczema due to wearing mask for a long time, but I've already recovered.
I'm so happy for you, Jade. So if you all want to know what is the tips, please stay till the end of our Facebook Live. And actually, there are few different types of eczema. So it's acute eczema, subacute eczema, and chronic eczema. What are the causes of eczema? It might be caused by hereditary genes, food allergies, weak immune system, and other factors triggered in the environment, such as tobacco smoke, jewelry, detergents, and other chemicals. It begins shortly after exposure to an allergen, and it will last as long as exposure. That's why people who work in cleaning and hairdressing are more likely to get hand eczema. Jade, can you explain what food allergies are?
Of course. So let me share some. Food allergies occur when the immune system overreacts to certain protein found in food we eat. So the majority of food allergies are caused by cow's milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, and wheat. Symptoms like difficulty in breathing, gastric, swollen, and itchiness. Actually, many asthma patients have found that eliminating dairy products from their diet helps. Dairy products are very common causes of upper respiratory allergies, asthma, and other allergic reactions. Do you know that milk protein is the most likely cause of allergy-related asthma due to milk allergy itself? But the antibiotic pass into the milk from dairy cow. If cow are milked within 48 hours after receiving penicillin, do you know what is penicillin?
I'm not too sure, but I heard before.
Okay, so it's actually to treat inflammation of the others. Penicillin will appear in the milk in small quantities. So people who are allergic to penicillin may develop symptoms of penicillin allergic after drinking such milk. Dairy products such as milk may stimulate excess mucus production and worsen clogging of lungs, resulting in asthma attack. Eliminating milk and meat may greatly reduce asthma or symptoms. So in a study involving of 24 patients, 71% of patients experienced an improvement in their asthma symptoms after following a vegan diet for only 4 months.
Wow, that is an impressive improvement. Then I think I better be a vegan for my better health. Yeah, and there is one myth that people misunderstood. Cleaner environment means no allergies. Actually, okay, I will tell you the fact later. Usually people with allergies always think that they need a cleaner environment to prevent and get rid of allergies. But the fact is, the cleaner the environment we are, the higher chance of us to have allergies. The more children are exposed to germs, certain types of infection and social interaction, the more they can help their immune system to develop naturally into a less allergic and better regulated state of being. Scientists also observe that most children suffering from common allergies, such as eczema and hay fever, come from smaller families or had no siblings. A study published in Clinical Experimental Allergy suggested that children who live with dogs and cats in their first year of life are less likely to develop allergies to these animals later in life. Therefore, exposure to germs is necessary to educate the immune system so that it can learn to launch its defense responses to infectious organisms. Jade, so is there any medical treatment we can say goodbye to allergies?
Actually, there is currently no cure for allergies. What we can do is to take medication such as antihistamine and decongestants that only help to ease symptoms like sneezing and runny nose. Steroids are also used for symptom relief, but they are also reduce immune activity. But remember, there are also side effects from consuming medication. Skin atrophy, dry, shedding, skin pigment changes, vasodilation, stasis of blood, long-term suppression of the immune system will also lead to other health issues. So, but remember, if you have a life-threatening allergic reaction, like difficulty in breathing, please seek for a doctor. So do we have another option besides medical treatment for allergies?
Yeah, of course. So let me ask you all a question. Does everyone know who is the best doctor in the world? So if you know the answer, you can type at the chat box. Okay, so please type in the chat box. Let me show you. Actually, the best doctor is our immune system because it's protecting us against diseases. The immune system is made up of a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect the body. Example, tonsils, lymph nodes, bone marrow, appendix, and others. According to the research, more than 90% of diseases are closely related to our immune system, including allergies. So what is our immune system doing? Immune system is able to perform three major functions: defense, cleanse, and repair. Defense against bacteria, viruses, and diseases. Secondly, cleanse toxins by excreting out of our body via sweat, pee, and poo. And the last one is repair, repairing the damaged cells, tissues, and organs in our body. So to have a healthy immune system, one needs to have correct and balanced nutrition to achieve an optimal immune system that can perform defense, cleanse, and repair function I mentioned just now. Besides nutrition, one also has to achieve three other major areas: ensure sufficient sleep and rest. Secondly, regular exercise. And the third one is maintain stable emotions. If we can achieve these four areas, we will definitely have a healthy body, and sure, we are less likely to have allergies, right? So what is the correct nutrition? So the first one, according to immunologists, our immune system needs three major nutrients, which include phytochemicals, antioxidants, and polysaccharides. The first one is phytochemicals. Phytochemicals come from plants. Why do we need phytochemicals? It's to neutralize cancer-causing hormones, such as hormones secreted by the body due to stress, animal hormones from food, and hence inhibit cancer. Phytochemicals also can speed up wound healing, strengthen immune system. The more phytochemicals, the better for our immune system. And the second one is antioxidants. Antioxidants can help us fight against free radicals, prevent cell oxidation due to UV light, pollution, fatty food, and it also can promote cellular repair and enhance our body's ability to produce collagen. Everyone like collagen, right? And the third one is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides increase the production of interferon and interleukin to destroy viruses and increase natural killer cell activities by 38 to 49 folds. The stronger our immune system, one is less likely to get allergies.
Yes. So what type of food we can get in order for us to nourish our immune system and get rid of allergic problem? There are 6 main superfood to help in this allergic problem. The number one is wholesome soy. It's rich in protein, fiber, and phytochemical. Soy protein has 2 times higher content of protein than meat, 12 times higher than milk. Soy can help increase muscle mass, maintain and restore the health of muscle fiber. Soy has all the nutrients, like what Eve said. The 3 main nutrients, which is phytochemical, antioxidant, and polysaccharides, which our immune system needs. that will nourish our immune system, and therefore our allergy will also be cured. You can change cow's milk to wholesome soy, as I mentioned, because animal milk has higher chance of worsening allergic and it will never recover. So number 2 is ashitaba. Ashitaba is helpful in cleansing our blood, preventing cancer and improving the detoxification function of the liver and promoting the growth of friendly intestinal bacteria. What if mentioned about gastrointestinal health? Ashitaba can restore balance to the digestive tract and generally act as a digestive tonic. It may help those who has weak digestion or with gastric or duodenal ulcers. When your blood is clean, our immune system will help us to defend, cleanse, and repair. So disease will unlikely to attack our body. Ashitaba was used to cure and prevent smallpox. Besides, the sap of ashitaba stem and root used externally to prevent wound infection, promotes healing, and treat various skin conditions. Number 3 is cactus. Cactus has more than 10,000 types of phytochemical. It will boost the immune system to fight against viruses. Cactus can speed up wound healing, prevent scars, and balance glucose level. When virus attack our immune system, it will help us to build an army to fight against viruses. Scientists tested a topical application that consisted of 15% cactus extract and found that phytochemical in cactus accelerated tissue regeneration by inhibiting fibroblasts that aid in wound healing. So pectin in cactus coats the stomach and gastrointestinal tract, thereby helping to provide relief from digestive problems.
Do you all know what other superfood that also can help to reduce allergies? You all can type in the chat box. Okay, so let me show you others. Superfood. Rose. Anyone here like rose? Yeah, if like, right, please give us roses. Okay, scientific research has verified that the rose provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that contribute to beautiful skin. Rose hips contain up to 50 times the amount of vitamin C found in lemons. High concentration of valuable antioxidants, including ascorbic acids, flavonoid, and vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, E, and K, help to fight free radicals, prevent DNA damage, and enhance the body's ability to produce collagen and improve the skin's texture and appearance. Hence, help to reduce the symptoms of eczema. Rose also can enhance stomach function, relieve feminine problems. And the next superfood is psyllium husk. Insufficient fiber will cause the liver to overwork and slows down the body's detoxification process, causes other organs such as our skin to complete the detoxification. So there are 78 grams of fiber in 100 grams of psyllium husk. Fiber plays an important role in gastrointestinal diseases. Soluble fibers form a protective layer to protect our intestines, and insoluble fibers enable the intestines to flush out toxins from our body, ensure a cleaner and healthier digestive system, hence help our skin to look more radiant and reduce eczema. And the next one is cordyceps mycelium. Cordyceps has high polysaccharides, help to regulate the immune system. Cordyceps can activate a sluggish immune system and calm it when it is overstimulated. It may improve both immune and autoimmune disorders, including eczema and allergies. It also helps to protect against free radical damage with excellent antioxidant effects. Research shows that cordyceps is also highly beneficial for boosting lung function, respiratory health, and improving kidney function. It also can prevent liver fibrosis, increases resistance to stress.
So wait, don't leave yet. We still have some tips to prevent allergies. We always advocate prevention is better than cure. So let's take a look at what tips to prevent. So tips for pregnant women especially. Some risk factors for allergies are out of our control. For example, allergies tend to run in families. However, there are measures that we can take to help prevent allergies from developing in children. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke during pregnancy. Infants whose mothers smoke during pregnancy have a fourfold increased risk of having allergic skin disease by 18 months of age. Regular exposure to secondhand smoke increase the mother and baby risk of developing allergies. Eat peanuts and tree nuts if you are not allergic. Pregnant women who are not allergic to peanut and tree nut and who eat more during their pregnancy may have lower the risk of their children developing an allergy of this food, according to a study published in JAMA Pediatrics. Babies born by cesarean section, C-section, are 5 times more likely to develop allergies than those born naturally when exposed to high level of common home allergens, according to a study by Henry Ford Hospital.
Besides nourishing our immune system, for those struggling with eczema, to avoid your allergic triggers is the most important. And these are the tips. The first one, avoid usage of air fresheners at home. Secondly, avoid warm showers or soaking in water. Also avoid sudden change of temperature and prevent drying of skin. So please be hardworking, apply the cream. Next, also wear breathable clothing to avoid sweating. Make sure your blankets and your clothes are always clean. Avoid exposure to sunlight. And lastly, avoid dry, clean, or bleached clothes.
So hope our tips are able to help you all. If you find it helpful, do remember to share our Facebook Live once again to let more people start prevention. Don't wait until things happen, only we start looking for solution. If you're already struggling with allergies, what you need to do, you must eat more plant food with high nutrient as we suggested. Have a healthy emotions, exercise regularly, enough sleep, and rest to eliminate your allergies problem. If anybody wants to know more about nutritional immunology that helps in eczema or any allergic issue, do not hesitate to find me or Eve. We are willing to share more testimony on how it helps our immune system. Also, remember to follow our social media or where to get this superfood.
Yeah, remember to follow us in our social media, IG, Facebook, and YouTube to keep in touch and connect with us. We will consistently share a lot of our health education in our YouTube channel. So remember to subscribe, like, and share. Last but not least, if you have any questions, you can still comment on the chat box. We will reply to you all after the live. Allergies have a strong connection to the immune system. That's why it is essential to maintain a balanced immune system. Be safe and see you soon. Good night. Bye.
Night. Bye.